Hi, welcome to Catia V5 video tutorial. It's another remake. It's a hook made in generative shape design. So let's start with a sketch on that plane. Hide as usual the yellow projected elements in Catia. Okay, now I need a circle and another circle. Give it some dimensions. This one should be 45. This one should be 17. And this point should be coincident on that axis, and it should be coincident on this axis as well. Okay. Now I need another circle. Diameter should be 8. Distance between this point and that axis should be 40. Okay, then another circle, or at least then two circles. One circle and another circle. Okay, this diameter should be 300, not 30 but 300. Okay, and this center point should be on that axis, and let's move this a little bit over here. This a little bit like this. And now let's make these two tangent and these two as well. Okay, now I need this circle, and this should be tangent to this circle, and it should be tangent to that circle as well. Okay, nice. And this point should be coincident on this axis. Nice. Then I need, I could do it with a rectangle. Okay, delete those constraints. Okay, now give it a dimension. This should be 10, and this should be aligned with this axis. And this circle and that line should be tangent, and this circle and that line should be tangent as well. Okay, now let's make this, convert this into a construction line, and here this should be perpendicular, and this one as well. Now let's trim. Okay, I don't need this, that one. Okay, this should be removed this, that, this one, this, and that could go away, and this as well. Okay, nice. So I need all these segments in 3D, so I will publish them, but not profile, elements, output feature. Double click, and I want to have this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, and this one. Leave the sketch. Now you get all those as output features in 3D. Okay, I need some more sketches. So right over here I need a plane, and therefore I would need a line. So we'll make a line from point to point. Make sure this is always closed, locked. So it should go from point to point. So since I can't catch a point, that's odd. Okay, line. This point to that point. Confirm. Now I need a plane with an angle, normal to plane. Lock this lock. Rotation axis should be this one, and it should be with an angle to that one. Or let me take a look to this one. It's not to this one. And it should be 90 degrees. Yeah. Then I need a sketch on that plane. You could move this origin. For example, make it the middle point of this line. See? Confirm. Hide as usual the yellow elements. Okay. Then I need a circle. And this point should be on that line. This point should be on that circle. And this point should be on that circle as well. We'll leave the sketch. So maybe I put this plane into this geometrical set and put this line into this geometrical set, just to keep it sorted. Okay, I need another sketch on this plane. That's okay. This will be another circle. And again, this point should be right on that axis. This should be on that point coincident, and on that point coincident. Okay, hide these projected yellow elements as usual. So I have to divide this circle into some parts. Therefore I need some construction lines. One, two. Give it some dimensions, or maybe just at first trim it. Okay. This should be 90 degrees, that's okay. And I need an angle from here to this one, and this should be 45 degrees. And I need another construction line which should go through this point, yes. Trim it, and this should be 45 as well. Nope, 45 degrees as well. Now let's break this circle. Go to break. I want to break this circle with that line. Okay, now I want to break this with this line. 1, 2, and now this circle with that line. So we got 4 pieces. And I want to have all these pieces separately in 3D, so I will make again output feature, okay. I could give them different colors, so let's make this, for example, cyan, this one and that one maybe, that's magenta and that's cyan, sorry, and make this one perhaps green. Okay, and I need the same elements right over here at the top. So what could I do? I could mirror it and transform it, or I could make a new sketch. Both will work, so I will make symmetry. Let's check where's symmetry. There you go for symmetry. And first select the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Make symmetry. Okay, and then transform them. So select them 1, 2, 3, 4, and translate in this direction, and the distance should be 10, and confirm. Now I could hide these 4 symmetries. This one could be hidden, and then I could give it some colors. This should be magenta, these 2 should be cyan, and this might be green, and I could make it a little bit stronger. Okay, nice. I need another profile on this plane. So another sketch on this plane, and let's swap the 2 axes, confirm, hide these elements. Okay. Now this profile should look something like this. I need some circles. One circle, second circle, third circle, fourth circle. Okay. Now give it some dimensions. This one should be diameter 4. This one as well. This one should have diameter 2. This one as well. Okay. Now let's make them symmetric. Allow symmetry line, and symmetry line would be the Z axis. Same for these two circles. Symmetry line. Okay. And distance should be and there should be another distance. This should be 5. This should be 4. Okay. Now I need some more circles. There should be a circle. And I need another one. Okay. Move this up. And this circle should be tangent right here. And tangent right there. And the radius or the diameter should be 100. Okay. Now this should be tangent to this one and tangent to that one. And diameter should be 200. Okay. Now I need the intersection point and that intersection point, so I go for so I got this point, and yeah, I know. Yeah, something's selected, and so right now it will work. That's another point, and these 2 points should be for construction only. Okay, now this should be coincident, and this one, sorry, that circle, and that's hard to see. Let's move it a little bit. There's somewhere a point. Really? There it is. And this one, they should be coincident as well. Okay, now I could trim and hopefully not lose too many constraints. Let's check. Go for trim. Trim this one, that one, this one, this one, that one, and that one. Looks okay, at least at the moment. And I need 2 more circles. 1. This should not be tangent right here. First make it standard and then, okay, 1 circle and another one. Radius should be 40 for this one, so diameter is 20. Not 20, sorry, it's 80 and 80. And now move these a little bit over. Here, and the other one over there. Okay, make them tangent. 1, 1, 2, tangency, 1, 2, tangency, 1, 2, tangency, and 1, 2, tangency. Now let's try to trim again and see what will happen. 1, 2. That's okay. But now I have to trim inside. 1, 2. 1, 2. Great. And again, I will need these separated in 3D, so I will go to Output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and leave the sketch. So, okay, I could give it some colors, and I have to join some of them. I have to join this one, that one, and this one, and I have to join this one, that one, and this one. Okay, now change the colors. This and that should be cyan. This join over here should be green and stronger. Okay, and this join should be magenta and stronger. Okay, nice. Let's put those 2 joins in a different geometrical set. Put it into this one. Okay, nice. Then make this one the object which is in work, and I need some 3D splines. Okay. First, this should go from this point right here through that point and up to this point, and give it some direction, tangent direction, and this would be normal to this surface. Turn it around, and this should be normal to that surface. That's okay. Confirm. Next one, from this point to that point over to this point. Give it a tangent direction. You could use the axis or the plane. You will use the plane. Same here. Confirm. Now turn around to the other side, and again 3D spline from this point to that point to this point. Give it direction. Okay, and another one from this point over to that point, up to this point, direction like this, and the other direction like this again, and confirm. And now I can begin to make my multi-section surfaces. Okay, so let's make the surface geometrical set, the active geometrical set. And first I want to make a multi-section surface with this profile, that profile. Make sure that arrows point in the right direction, and this one. And yeah, I could give it a support with this one and again with that one. And I need some guides, so that's a guide, and I have to join these two. So go back to the curves and join these. So this one and that one. Okay, and join, no, this one and that one. Okay, now let's do our multi-section surface. First profile, second profile, third profile. I could give it support. This will work because I took care and made these normal to that planes as well, so it should work. So we need one guide, first guide, second guide, third guide. Let's see if it works. Nice. Next one, 1, 2, yeah, direction is the same, 3, yep, give it again support, okay. And the guides, first guide, second guide, third guide, confirm. Very, very nice. So next are these surfaces in between. And let's take a look. So for the next multi-section surface, I want to use this profile, that profile, change the direction, this profile, that's okay, give it some support, that direction, and for the last one this direction as well. And now I need two guides. First guide, and give it a support. That's the support. And the second one, and the support surface is this one. You can have tangency to other surfaces for the guides as well, and confirm. Looks very nice. Same on the other side. So go for multi-section surface. 1, 2. Check the directions. And 3. Give it a support. And the guides. One guide with this support surface. Second guide with that support surface, and confirm. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, now let's take a look at this part of this hook. Okay, let's do it. So I want to split this circle with that element right here. That's okay, confirm. Now I could mirror it with symmetry on that plane, confirm. Maybe move these two into a different geometrical set, into this one. Okay, and now let's make a multi-section surface with this, that one, and that one. No, so maybe the last one was wrong. It's hard to see, hard to tell, yeah. So let's do it in a different way. First go for 2, 1, 2. That's the direction, and that's the direction. Confirm. No. So turn it around. Okay. Then add the third profile, that's this one. And confirm. Yeah, now I got it. Very nice. So now let's hide this one, hide that one, and hide these as well. That's in the sketches, so I could hide the sketches for a moment. Okay, and now let's make an extract of this edge right here and that edge right here. So first let's take this edge, make it tangent continuity, really it doesn't go around. Should go around. That's kind of odd. Let's check it once again. Go for tangent, and really there should be no tangent discontinuity. Okay, now let's show this one and show the sketches. Where is the sketch? There it is. Hide show. Let's make a join with this curve and that one, confirm, and make another join with these elements right here, confirm. These two should be in a different geometrical set, and the curves set. Okay, now let's try if it works. So I need one from this join to that join. Direction is not okay, so change this one. Closing point is no good right now, but let's take a look. See if the guides work. Nope. Wrong direction. Still a wrong direction. Yeah, I have to move the closing point. So redo it once again. Okay. Join, and the closing point. Replace it to this point and replace this one with that one right here. Change the direction and let's try the guides. 1, 2 and confirm. That's okay. Now let's give it some support. This should be supported by that surface, and this should be supported by that complete surface right here, and this should be... oh, I didn't join it, so maybe I should join it. So go for join. So this surface, this one and that one. Confirm. Maybe that's the reason this was not tangent, but now it should work. So no, this should not include this one. This should be removed. Yeah. Yeah, it's the right join. Okay. So it should be supported by the join. And therefore this has to be deleted, and now it should work. Okay. Join 5, join 6, replace the closing point, replace the closing point, check the directions, nope, give it a support here, give it a support there, give it a guide, 1, 2, and see if it works. Very, very nice. I could make a last join and join this surface, that join, and this one all together and confirm. Let's hide these sketches and the curves and this plane as well. And that's the important part of the hook. The rest is just an extrude, and you could use a sweep, and I will leave this up to you. So hope we enjoyed this a little bit lengthy and not so easy video. If you like it, give it a like down below or just leave a commentary. See you to the next one. I will try to do this part of the hook and some of the other programs as well. Bye bye.